Choice Kitchen. In today's menu we are going to be making a delicious party bacon jollof rice. So let's get started. Before we begin, you want to put your pot into the fire, let it heat, and then add oil. When the oil is heated, you want to go in with your onions. Saute your onions for 2 to 3 minutes. After the onions is ready, you want to go in with your blended tomato, onion, and pepper. So we'll fry that for 5 to 10 minutes. So when you're done frying the tomato, you want to go in with your tomato paste. So this is a delicate area. You want to fry your tomato paste for at least 20 minutes. When you see that your tomato has been translucent, and then you know your tomato is well fried. So friends, if it's your first time to my page, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Choice and you're welcome to my kitchen. In this channel, we cook and we vlog family lifestyle outing. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So as you can see, the tomato is well fried and well fried. So now I'm going to go in with my seasoning. I've just gone in with my Maggi cube and salt. So you want to give that a mix and then put aside for the next step. So I'm in the stage of the part 2 of the jollof rice. So I've just add my plain pot in the fire and then add my beef stock. So meanwhile, we have already parboiled our basmati rice. So I'm going to allow the meat stock to boil, then go in with my parboiled basmati rice. So as you can see, I'm adding my parboiled basmati rice to my meat stock. It's either ways. You can choose not to parboil your rice. You can just wash your rice and cook directly with the meat stock. But the best way is to parboil the rice first so that it will not taste mushy. So I like to parboil my rice first. So I'll cover my pots and let it cook until it's done. So as you can see, the rice is cooked. Now I'm going to proceed to the next step by adding the previous fried tomato. So as you can see, I've just added all the tomato and I'll cover it to dry up before I'll mix it. So as you can see, the tomato is dried, the rice is cooked. So I'm just gonna mix the whole rice and the tomato together. Trust me, this process tastes really good. Here comes our tasty bacon jollof rice. I know you'll be wondering, where is the bacon? I haven't seen the bacon. Be patient, you will see the bacon. So this is how the rice is looking, very cooked, well prepared. So I've just added my beef, and here comes the bacon. It took the jollof rice to another level. Trust me, my kids love it so much. So now I'm just gonna cover the pot, let it sit for a few minutes, and then dinner is ready. Look at that, how beautiful and mouth-watering. Please don't forget to subscribe to our page. Do me a favor by letting me know where you're watching from. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.